shop. Ice cream? Yum!
Woohoo! I'll help you load up supplies. Alrighty, Wheeler, back her up! You're gonna need plywood, bags of cement, steel beams, sheets of plastic, and plenty of bolts, nuts, and nails.
Thanks, Auntie Crane. My truck is filled. Time to build! Bye-bye! Okay, Charger and I will build the ice cream shop, and Wheeler and Mix, you can build a giant ice cream cone on top. Let's bow wow build! Ice cream shop wall, coming in! Ice cream shop wall, hammering in! 2 more walls to go. Stacks of extra thick plastic, perfect for a big ice cream cone. When I'm done, we can flip it over. Wow, it looks like a real cone. All we need now is the ice cream scoop. I can fold this into a bowl to make a big ice cream scoop. That wind nearly took you away. Thanks, Mix. Let me try that again. We got this. So much wind. Okay, let's cover the rest of it. And done. Now that's a giant scoop of ice cream. Let's make it look yummy. Spray blaster. That scoop of ice cream looks good enough to eat. Whoa! We better put this on the roof before it gets too windy. Steady, Charger. The wind is picking up. Water tool. One giant cone on the roof. Secured. Ice cream scoop coming in. Wind is picking up. Gotta work fast. Stop that ice cream scoop! Rumbling Crew! After that scoop! Rumble on the double! I am in position! You did it! Now we can put the giant scoop of ice cream back where it belongs. Steady! Steady! Now don't let go until I finish welding. Water tool! Gotta work fast before it gets windy again. Giant ice cream scoop secured. For real this time. Come on, pups. Let's finish construction. Hey, Cafe Carl. What do you think?
I think I love it!
On part 1, Mayor Greatway's motorcycle got dirty, so Rubble and Crew built a car wash, but something went wrong.
But the car wash should have worked. I don't know what happened. I don't know either. My soap was soapy and bubbly. Really soapy bubbly. Getting things clean is what I do best. But not today. Look! Lookity look! The super soap tank is filled with mud and cement. Mud? Cement? Oh, this is interesting. A muddy bucket?
And a bag of cement.
Speedmeister? There's always a construction solution. You're right, Rubble. Our first car wash was good for cleaning mud. But we need to build a bigger one to clean mud and cement. With bigger brushes and soapier soap.
And water that blasts out of giant high-power pressure hoses to smash the cement.
Fantastic idea! Let's bow wow build a super car wash!
Supplies coming in.
Nice! Coming down!
Lift it up.
Good job! Need a lift? Awesome! Coming in! You super soap tank! So big! Behold! Super car wash! Mayor Greyway, send your motorcycle through. Making it clean, that's the dream. It worked! It's so exciting! I'm getting the zoom zoomies! Awesome! Let's see if we can find a match. Yes! Our clues tell us the turtle with a balloon took the statue? I totally don't get it. Yeah. What about this hammer we found?
There's only one person in Builder Cove who swings a hammer and has a turtle shell. It's
Mr. McTurtle! He must have tied the balloons to it to make it float away. We've been looking everywhere for clues except up in the air. Come on! Cool! Chase, welcome to our home, the Barkyard. Wow, pretty fantastic, huh? Totally fantastic. Let's go to the top floor to look for Mr. McTurtle. Yeah, let's go. Now that we're up here, keep an eye to the sky and find that turtle. Eyes to the sky.
I see Mr. McTurtle.
Rubbling Crew is on the move. I am ready. Gotcha! Rubble on the double! Rubble and Charger, we both gotcha! Thanks for the helping paw, Rubble and Crew! These boulders will make the perfect gravel. Smashing time! Perfect! Now we have gravel for the road we're building. It's raining. Let's go up to the tower for a closer look. Okay! Yeah! Let's hear what Mayor Greatway has to say.
All that rain is sending a flood of water toward Builder Cove. We need to stop that water from destroying our city. Help us, Rubble and Crew.
We'll build a dam to stop that flood. Time to load up supplies. All right, let's go build a dam. smashed boulders into the road.
How do we get around them so we can build our dam?
I think I can move them out of the way. Grab it, lift it, move it. And this road. That should do it. Great job, Charger. Now let's go build that dam.
This looks like the perfect spot.
Okay, let's dig in. My truck is filled. It's time to build. Grab it, lift it, move it.
And weld it.
Great job, crew. Now it's time for concrete.
Copy that, Rubble. Ready? Aim. Concrete. Oh.
Oh, hi, Mayor Greatway.
Oh no, Rubble. The flood is getting bigger. We need to build the dam even higher.
Okay, crew, let's keep on building.
The new steel frame is welded and ready.
Uh-oh, Rubble. We're out of gravel for the concrete. I have an idea. Motor can smash the boulders to make more gravel. Motor go boom! Boom, boom! That was fun. Gravel is ready. Great job, Motor. Now Mix can turn it into concrete.
Once I pour this concrete, the dam should be high enough to stop the flood. Ready? Aim. Concrete.
Oh no! The flood is coming. We need to hurry.
Good thing this concrete is quick dry. Great job, Rubble and Crew. You saved Builder Cove.
No problem. Let's do a victory dance.
Pops! Someone's calling the fire station!
Omar, you okay?
I think there's a fire on the path we took to get here.
Hi, I'm Marshall. Don't worry, I'll come help you. Let's go! Stay behind this line so we're far from the flames. Rough water cannon!
Let's put out this fire. Ready? Aim. Rock water.
I'm fired up!
We got this.
And that's the way you put out a fire. Ow, ow, ow! Those ashes are gonna be hot for a while. Let's cover them up with dirt before we head out.
You got it.
Keep making a path this way. Hold up! Can't make a path through this.
Motor has construction solution.
Tyrannosaurus Rex. Dino delivery.
Our museum is wide enough, but it's not tall enough.
Don't worry. There's always a construction solution.
We take the roof off so the dinosaur head can poke out the top. Then put a glass dome on top.
Fantastic idea, Mix. Let's bow wow Dino Bill! Roar! Bye bye rough. I mean roof. Okay, Charger, you can take off the tarp. A Tyrannosaurus Rex? Mr. T-Rex, you're one of my favorite dinosaurs! Whoa! Awesome dinos coming in! To load under the Smash Smasher. Here comes Charger. Grab it, lift it, move it.
Thanks, Charger. Smashing in 3, 2, 1, smash! More smash! More smash! Okay, Motor, here we go! Boom! Boom! Boom!
Mix, nice job. Rubble on the icy double.
Load it in, Rubble. I love the sound of mixing. Breaking up that ice into super small pieces, adding some water, adding some air, turning it into fluffy snow. Time to cover our giant ramp in snow so Lucas and Lily can sled. Woo-hoo! Ready, aim, snow!
That's so amazing. We built a sled ramp. Rubble Crew! And it's pucktastic. That's what we do.
Ask your parents to subscribe to the Toymation YouTube channel.